Talk to me. Talk to me, Penny.
Come on, Penny, and coo.
Penny. Hi, Penny. Hi, Penny.
Okay, that's not Penny cooing. That is our clock over there cooing because it's 1 o'clock. So we're trying to get Penny to coo. And see, there's Joey right there, and here's Penny. So see the jealousy? Joey's over here looking on the corner.
Talk to me, Penny. Talk to me, Penny. Penny, talk to me. Penny, talk to me. Penny, talk to me. Talk to me, Penny. Talk to me. Penny. He's gonna coo. Hi, Penny. Talk to me, Penny. Talk to me, Penny. Talk to me, Penny. Talk to me, Penny.
Are you taking her in that cage or the little one?
I'll take her in the little one. Could take her in that big one. Duh. There.
Your cat is totally on my books. See? There's Mimi laying on my books when I'm supposed to be studying. Penny, you gonna coo for us yet? It's been 2 minutes.
Penny. Talk to me. Talk to me, Penny. Talk to me, Penny. 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 Hi, Penny. Hi, Penny.
Now if I come look at you, Joey, Penny's gonna chirp. That's just the way it works, Jojo. What are you doing, Joey? Don't do that. That's gross. That's indecent, Jojo. Jojo. Joey. Joey. You trying to get closer to me, Joey? Look at this. Look what this bird's doing. He's running closer to the camera. He's such a ham.
No, he isn't. He's a bird.
But he's running closer to the camera. It makes him a ham.